If your car doesn't have a lot of visible property damage to it, do you still have a personal injury case? Or if you've been rear-ended by somebody and you get out of the car and you go, gosh, that felt like a big jolt, but I don't see a lot of visible property damage to the back of my car, looks like some scratches, I don't think anybody's gonna believe that I was hurt. You still have a claim. That happens all the time. So insurance companies wanna lead you to believe that the only time somebody can get injured in a car accident is when their car looks like an accordion. But I can tell you from personal experience and dealing with people who I truly believe in, that people can get hurt in low speed collisions. People can get hurt in collisions with very little visible property damage to the vehicles. Cars are made in such a way that they're made to absorb the impact of a collision and not show a lot of property damage because it's a safety feature. They want to take that impact away, but studies show that no matter what, even if there's some impact there to a vehicle, even if there's not a lot of visible property damage, that a person can still be injured from that. So don't be dissuaded. Let your body tell you whether or not you're injured. If you feel pain and you're injured, then that's the truth that you're living with. The truth isn't, what some insurance adjuster tells you or some, propaganda that you've seen about, being a bad person if you make a claim. That's not true. People can get injured in low impact collisions. People can get injured when there's not a lot of visible damage to the car. We've seen it time and time again. Hopefully you're not that injured. Hopefully the injuries are less severe because the accident was less severe. But some people are predisposed to injuries that another person is not. So I may get rear-ended and not suffer any injuries, whereas an 85-year-old person may get injured pretty badly from the same exact impact. So it's all different from person to person. We don't allow the damage to the vehicles to dictate whether our client is injured or not. We don't let insurance companies get to dictate to us whether or not our clients are hurt. We let our clients dictate to us whether or not they're hurt. So it's certainly a factor that goes into evaluating and valuing a claim is the damage to the cars, and we can help you address that issue and how to best deal with that issue with an insurance company and even a jury if it comes to that. But at the end of the day, if you've been injured, you're the only one who knows if the extent of your injuries and how bad the pain is. And just because the car doesn't show it doesn't mean it's not there. So yes, if a car has not a lot of visible property damage to it, you can still have a personal injury claim. We can still represent you. We can still give you a free consultation, and we can still fight for you.